Let's learn some colors name. Brown color, sky blue color, pink color, green color, gray color, orange color. Let's learn some alphabets. A for aeroplane. B for bus. C for car. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for glass. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nose. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rainbow. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R. Thanks for watching.